Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Release the need to be right. When you believe something, you assume you're right. You may even destroy relationships in order to defend your position. Let go of the need to defend your position. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 14, NASDAQ up 12, S&P's flat. Gold contract down $8.80, trading at $12.07 an ounce. We had silver down 20 cents, $14.65 an ounce. Light sweet crude off 25 cents, $68.62 a barrel. We're going to have the API numbers out at 4:30 this afternoon. Notes and bonds. You had the 10-year note down 7 ticks, 120.03. That baby did come down with volume. 30-year bond also down 20 with volume, 144.16. That being said, if we just go over and take a look at them so we can give you some numbers as to what you'd be looking at, the 10-year as well as the 30-year, folks, they're coming into the strength that was established out here on the 13th of August, 12th of August, I believe, 10th of August. 119.23. would be the number at the bottom of that strength. The top of it was 120.13, so we get into that today. You did 3 million contracts. That's big contract volume. The bottom line, the bottom of that is going to be really important to see if the volume is going to dry up as we get into this 119.23. 30-year is the same type of setup. You had sellers in both the 10 and the 30 out here. The 30-year right now trading at 144.16. We had 525,000 contracts. That's big contract volume. The bottom of the strength is 143.12. Now that's a full point, but that's a full point in 4 ticks. 30-year can do that though. That's coming into 384,000 contracts. So bottom line is that I expect you're going to get down there. If we go over to the gold contract and we take a look at gold, gold is still in an ABC structure on the way up. You got to higher high today. We got to 1220, had volume behind the move, 263,000. When you get that, your probability is much higher that you're going to be back to higher price. Silver, same type of setup. Silver even more so, meaning because silver did get volume behind this move out here today as it got into a higher price. We did $15.07. You're at $14.70. You did 61,000 contracts. What I do expect on both of them is that they are going to come back in and try to get into the highs of the last low. So it's going to be kind of dangerous here the next few days. King dollar. King dollar is a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. It took out the B point, took it out with volume. You continued lower out here today. With volume, 18,000. That's not huge, not light either. Bottom line is that what I expect you're going to see, this is going to make its way down into the power strength that it had on June 14th. June 14th, it was at 92,820 when it took off topside. Big day there. We got up to 94,605. And I do expect that what we're going to see there is that it's going to basically get down there, try to test that area out, and see how that whole baby shakes out. Let's get over and we take a look at Hewlett Packard Enterprise. Let's see. Hewlett Packard Enterprise. Let's see. Hewlett Packard Enterprise. Okay, so this just came out with numbers. This closed at $16.74. The low for the year is $12.81. The high is $19.47. We are trading right now at $17.18, so you're up approximately 40 cents. Let's go take a look. Okay, so this is off highs of $19. No big deal there. This is how the numbers go. You have the revenue estimate had been $7.67 billion. They did $7.76 billion. The earnings per share, they were looking for 37 cents. They made 44 cents. So the bottom line is that they beat the bottom Sorry about that, folks. They beat the top and bottom line number. Decent setup out here. Let's go take a look at one of the pot producers, Telray. Let's see what we had here at Telray. Telray, Telray, 1 second. T-I-L. There she is. Okay, so Telray. So this is TLRY. That closed at $51.50. The low for the year, this is a new IPO, I believe. The low was July 17th, $20. The high is $58. And this did go public on the 15th. No, on the July 18th. Look at that. Just, my God, this is only about... That's quite an expansion. So this went public at $17 on July 18th. Big number. Telray closed at $51.50. That is trading right now at $53.50. This has been a rocket ship, man. It's pretty hard to believe, actually. So let's take a look at this. What are they saying? They are saying the estimate, revenue estimate was $9 million. They made $9.7 million. We're going to have to start getting our head wrapped around kilograms here. Because, let's see. So they're reporting in kilograms. They sold 1,514 kilograms. Kilogram? Well, I'm going to have to look up that chart as to how many kilograms are inside a pound, if that's how it goes. Yeah. So... let's see. They 10 million. This is pretty wild. So 2.2 pounds per kilogram. Okay, 2.2 pounds per kilogram. Oh, I see. Okay, so a kilogram, 15. Anyway, okay, I'll get into that in a second. The thing is amazing here. So check this out, though. This is pretty intense. That if you broke this down, well, here, let's see what they say they're going to take in first. Because if you broke this down. This looks to me like you're taking in $10 million, and I think it has a $5 billion market cap. 1 second. Yeah, there's a $4.7 billion market cap. And that's going to be, it has to be about growth, you know? Yeah, growth, they're saying 9 million this quarter, a year from now, 30 million. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.